Hey, my friend. Hey, I hope you relaxed this morning, perhaps. And that's because we're going to talk about systems today. And, that's how your business run like a oil machine, even when you're not personally turning every single wrench. So last time we chatted about building your dream team to escape the hamster wheel. Well, today we're going to be talking about a layer that's magic that makes the delegation truly sing, like building a real business systems for passive income. And let me tell you, this isn't about wishing upon a star. It's about smart, upfront work that pays dividends for years. So let's cut to the chase, my friend. And here's a quick gut check for you. Would you spend 1 hour today if it meant saving 10 minutes every single time for you to do that specific task next year? If the answer isn't a resounding yes, then respectfully, this video might not be for you. We, service business providers, sell time and knowledge. If we're not thinking about efficiency all the time, every time, how can we truly make that dollar better and faster? As the saying goes, how do we do one thing is how we do everything. And if everything is chaotic, well, let's fix that. Let's get real about passive income here. The biggest misconception out there that it isn't some kind of magical money tree you plant, water once and then spend the rest of your life on a beach somewhere. If only, right? So here's the truth. The true passive income or, reducing work, especially in a service business, requires significant upfront effort. It's about building the systems, creating the products, or setting up, the automation once so it can serve you and your clients repeatedly without constant direct input. Think of like building a really cool, intricate Lego castle. It takes time and focus to assemble, but once it's built, it stands tall, right? So this isn't just a, for product business either. We're service providers. We're talking about automating client onboarding, streamlining recurring tasks, or creating client self-service resources. If you are not constantly thinking in terms of efficiency, how can you make that dollar better and faster? Every minute saved, every process streamlined, directly contributes to your bottom line. It allows you to serve more clients, offer higher value services, or, just simply reclaim your sanity. This mindset shift from getting it done to how can I get this done better and faster next time is what separates the hamster wheel from the money machine. Now, when I talk about systems, it's not always about fancy, complex, automation right out of the gate. Often it's about how you build the breadcrumbs as you service each client. This is pure gold for service business like ours. Think about it. How can you leave those little breadcrumbs, those client notes, organize your spreadsheets, or leverage your CRM, which is short for customer relationship management data, so that the next time you touch base with that client, you know everything personally and relatable. This isn't just efficiency. It's excellent customer services. Hey, how was your daughter's dance recital? Did you enjoy your trip to Santa Fe? Are you still working out? You're looking good. Those personalized touches make clients feel seen, valued, and make them never want to leave you. And the beauty of the breadcrumbs, the breadcrumb approach, is that as you build client notes and process, you are simultaneously creating molds and templates that are easily replicated to another client. This saves you immense time and effort down the line. Whether it's a standard onboarding checklist, a common project proposal template, or a method of delivering a specific service, document it. These aren't just for you. They are the foundation of your scalable process. So let's start with delegation with ease. And here's where, the magic truly happens. As you start delegating certain tasks, the next person you train will have a massive head start. They won't be starting from scratch because your breadcrumbs, your detailed notes, your organized data, and then your documented processes are already there. This drastically cuts down training time and ensures consistency across your team, reinforcing that doer you hire last time. So, what's the simplest, most powerful tool you will likely already have or need to start building these breadcrumb systems? Your CRM platform. This is where your goldmine of client data lives. Okay? Go into your current CRM platform. I don't know, it could be HubSpot, Salesforce, Suhu, Monday, or just a spreadsheet, if that's, your starting point. And find a way to leave detailed notes about that client. Not just about their project, but those personal tidbits that make a connection. And make it a habit. Every interaction, every personal detail, every specific client preference, jot it down. It takes seconds now, but it saves you from that awkward silence, or worse, missed opportunity later. So beyond, your personal notes, use your CRM to standardize your process. Can you create custom fields for project stages? Can you set up automated follow-ups, reminders that after certain milestones? Many CRMs have robust features that go far beyond just contact management. Explore them. This is how you build a system that prompts you or your team to take the right action at the right time every time. Once your CRM it's dialed in, it becomes your central hub for more advanced automation. You can often connect it to email marketing platforms for automated follow-up sequences, to scheduling tools for seamless booking, or even to invoicing software for faster payments. This is how your breadcrumbs turn into a fully automated pathway, truly building that passive or semi-passive income stream we've been talking about. Here's your challenge for this week. Open up your CRM platform right now. Even in whether you use, for client management, and make a commitment. And that commitment is what's one specific piece of information about a client, a personal detail, a unique project nuance, or a recurring task that you can capture in your notes today. And how can you use a feature in your CRM, even if it's just a reminder, to make your next interaction with that client or that process for a new client 10% more efficient? Remember, It's about working smarter, not just harder. It's about building those systems so your business makes a dollar better and faster, leaving you more time for, well, what it is you truly want to do. Hey, share your CRM hacks or a chosen system to implement in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time, my friend.